Ganito po ang magbayad ng loyalty order. Ito po kasi in-schedule ng September 2. Babayaran po ngayon September 2 na. Kaya ito po ang nasa kalagay sa status pay now. So babayaran po natin gamit ang credit card. I agree. Tapos ito po ay Mastercard. Ipopost ko po muna para po save yung card. Yan, pinindot ko na po yung pay now. Tapos lalabas po dito yung may one time password na darating sa cellphone number ng may-ari ng card. Pag hindi po yun in-input, hindi po mapaprocess ang transaction. Ganyan po ka-safe ang for life. Ano yung text? Ano yung text? Ha? Eh, bakit 14,000? Ay, wait lang. Pause po natin. Okay, nakuha na po ang OTP. Ito na yung OTP.
There is no way nobody heard that. Okay, I'm sure that there are like multiple calls in 911 as we speak.
07
Do you really think so?
1897
That gallery is coming. Okay, we just have to wait.
authenticate.
Holy.
Okay, ayan po. Nabayaran na.
It really hurts. Can I just can you warn me? Okay, count to 3 or something? Yeah, 1, 2. I'm really sorry. I know. Oh man.
So makikita nyo, meron siyang free Rio Vida. Ayan, 0 ang price. Ayan, diba? Tapos meron din siya dito for life transfer factor cardio 0 LP. Ito yata yung redeem niya na cardio sa loyalty credits po. Kaya ang instant discount makikita nyo po dito ay 3,500 kasi libre po ito for life transfer factor cardio.
Okay, well we should find a way to get comfortable.
Tapos shipping ay free kasi package po ito.
All right.
Diba? Laki pong discount.